I'll show you a simple method to fix dark skin around the eyes in Photoshop. Let's dive in and brighten those eyes. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Duplicate the layer. 3. Change the new layer to a desaturated adjustment layer. 4. Apply a high-pass filter. 5. Set the radius of the high-pass filter to the desired value. 6. Set the blend mode of the desaturated adjustment layer to overlay. 7. Create a new layer between the original and desaturated layers. 8. Create a clipping mask with the desaturated layer. Right-click on the desaturated layer and select Create Clipping Mask. 9. Select the empty layer and choose the brush tool. 10. Hold down the Alt key and sample an area close to the darkened skin around the eyes. 11. Paint over the darkened area around the eyes to lighten it. 12. Remember to continually select new areas to sample with the brush by holding down Alt and clicking on different areas. Repeat the painting process until the darkened skin around the eyes is corrected to your liking.